What's up YouTube? So this is going to be a quick video because I wasn't able to get a lot of footage, mainly because I didn't want to get employees and other companies who are using this co-manufacturing and co-packaging plant for their energy drink. But here's my friend. He is dressed like a young Muammar Gaddafi for some reason, but that's a story for another day. We essentially tested out three flavors. One is a 10 out of 10. Two of the flavors actually need an iteration to them, so we're going to be waiting until those get done. Pretty much, I really loved all the flavors and the direction that we're headed in. I have huge conviction in the product itself, and I'm really happy with it. Yeah, so here are the cans that you can see. The first one is a 10 out of 10. The second one, the third one, I'd say are like 7.5 to 8s because I'm thinking about what the vibe would be for these flavors as well. So that's at the top of my mind, and like real life stress testing as well. Like I'm in Calgary, Canada here. We do get the minus 40 degrees Celsius weather as well as like the plus 30 degrees Celsius weather. So I want drinks that somebody can pick up and have all the time, and actually flavors that make sense and that are unique. And I pretty much want the product to eventually end up being ubiquitous. So that's our goal. We are right now the first drink that's a 10 out of 10. We've had two versions of it. The second and third flavor, we've had three versions of it. We're going to have a fourth iteration, and then we're going to be picking between the third and the fourth iteration for that. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the journey. I know it's a short video, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get a lot of footage. And yeah, essentially we just have the trademark left, the packaging if we want it printed, sleeved, and things like that, which I'll be going over in the future as well. But I do have a name picked out, flavors, and a logo. Also, I do want to consider the fact that like what demographic we're aiming for. So it seems that most energy drink drinkers are usually 20 to 35 years old, and like the third flavor that we have, like I could see like my mom drinking it, so that's something that I'm considering as well.